Michel Foucault and the Panopticon analysis. So the Panopticon is a prison designer with Jeremy Bentham. So in this prison, the guard stands at the center and the prisoners surround the guard. Yabo? So as the guard is in the center, the guard has a clear observation, has a clear view of all these prisons. Yabo? So unogada uyakwazi ukubona wonke lamajele, mara the prisoners cannot see the guard or when the guard is watching. Yabo? So the guard can see the prisoners cannot see the guard. So because the prisoners abazi ukuthi when they are being watched, bagcine sebayi-regulator i-behavior yabo, they end up self-regulating. Yangizona? Bagcine if bebazolwa or bebazoshayana or bebazenza nje anything, because they think the guard is in the tower and the guard is watching, they regulate their behavior. Yangizona? So Michel Foucault, this idea of the panopticon, we later in real life, in how the government controls life in his story of biopower. Bio means life and power is control. So biopower, how the government has control over life. So the government controls life by creating ama values and instilling lawo ma values kithi abantu. Then thina abantu we absorb lawo ma values, then they become part of our identities. Then thina, because absorbile lama values, we end up being like amaphoyisa of lawo ma-values. Kune sesitshela abantu, sesibhekana, sesigadane ukuthi lo muntu lo ngathi aka-behave accordingly because of the values created by the system. So the idea of the panopticon ungayibheka njengonkulunkulu. So there are people abangatshontshi, there are people abangaqamba because they think ukuthi unkulunkulu ubabhekile. You understand? If masithi ungaya e-Pick n Pay, then muthi uyabheka, maybe ama-security awekho, i-staff maybe asibhekanga, like i-coast clear. But because camera ekhona laphaya, you end up not stealing, regardless ukuthi the camera i-on or i-off, iyasebenza or ayisebenzi. You understand? So in this idea of biopower, like i-government iyawaplanta ama-camera and ifuna sazi ukuthi ama-camera akhona khona sokwazi uku-regulator i-behavior yethu. You understand? So to what extent is your behavior like, to what extent is your behavior influenced by ama-values created by the system? To what extent are you self-regulating when even noma sohleli one because you think you are being